How to fix activation error 0xc004c060 on Windows 11. 1. Update Windows 11. 2. Run Activation Troubleshooter. Start software protection service. 4. Run sfc scan and dism tool as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan help dism/online/cleanup image/check help dism/online/cleanup image/restore health file. Activate Windows 11 via command prompt. Commands include slmgr.bbs /adoslmgr.bbs /upslmgr.bbs /ipkxxxxx xxxxx 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 your actual product key here. 6. Reinstall the previous system and then upgrade to Windows 11.